Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Forte key fob to replace its battery. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do at home. You will need just two items, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, and let's get started. The first step is to separate the two halves of your key fob. Begin by pressing the release button and pulling out the physical key blade. Next, look for a small slot or seam along the edge of the fob where the key was. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Now that your key fob is open, you can access the battery. Depending on your specific Kia Forte model, you might need to remove 4 small Phillips head screws to reveal the battery compartment. Once visible, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old, circular CR2032 battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, making sure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Press it firmly into place. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the physical key blade back into its slot. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle's doors. It should be working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.